Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to make Wells Fargo appointment. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Google and search Wells Fargo appointment and then simply click on the first link, which is this one here. Then you're gonna get redirected here where you're gonna have to simply log in into your Wells Fargo account, or you can simply continue as a guest. And then here you're gonna have to select the reason for your visit, so you're gonna have to choose any of these. As you can see, you have personal and business, and then here you're gonna have to basically add a comment here, then click on next, and then after that you're gonna have to simply find your location. So you're gonna have to enter your zip code and then basically the date, and then simply click on search. And as you can see, these are the nearest branches near me, so you're gonna have to simply select it and then simply click on select this location. And then here you're gonna have to simply choose a day and time. So as you can see here, I'm gonna have to select it, and then here you're gonna have to enter your contact information, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.